Welcome back to the Freedom Years Project, your guide to money management, freedom from financial stress, and building the life you deserve. Today, we're talking to all the breadwinners out there. If you work hard every day, but still find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. Being a breadwinner is something to be proud of. It means you're strong enough to carry your family's needs. But let's be honest, it's also exhausting. Your paycheck comes in, and before you know it, it's gone, spent on bills, food, school fees, and family requests. And what's left for you? Almost nothing. But here's the good news. You don't need to be stuck in this cycle forever. The very first step is awareness. You can't manage what you don't measure. For 1 month, list every single expense. Yes, even the small things like milk, tea, subscriptions, and online orders. When you see everything written down, you'll notice money leaks you never realized were draining your paycheck. From there, give every peso a purpose. Bills, groceries, savings, or family support. Nothing should be unassigned. Most breadwinners make this mistake. They pay everyone else first and save whatever is left. But the problem is, nothing is ever left. Instead, flip the system. Treat savings like a bill you cannot skip. Even if it's just 500 pesos each payday, put it aside first, before you pay anything else. This is how you start building your emergency fund, your first shield against financial stress. Next, create a budget that actually works for breadwinners. Here's a simple starting point. 50% for needs, 20% for family support, 20% for savings and debt payments, 10% for wants or small rewards. Of course, you can adjust these percentages, but the key is balance. If family support takes more than half your income, it's time for honest conversations about limits. Many breadwinners stay broke not because they overspend, but because they overgive. Every time someone asks for just a little help, your savings disappear. Setting boundaries doesn't mean you love your family less. It means you're making sure you can continue helping long-term. One practical way: set a fixed family support budget every month. Once it's gone, it's gone. This consistency will earn respect over time and protect your financial future. If you've already trimmed expenses, the next step is to grow your income. This doesn't mean burning yourself out with endless overtime. It means looking for smarter ways to earn more. Freelancing, selling online, side hustles, or even upskilling. All these can add breathing room to your budget. The goal is not just survival, but progress. Once you have your plan, make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Schedule online bill payments. When your finances run on autopilot, you remove temptation and make progress without relying on willpower. Here's the truth: escaping paycheck-to-paycheck living is not instant. It's a slow, steady climb. But every small step counts. Tracking your money, saving 500 pesos at a time, saying no when you need to. Over time, these small wins turn into stability, and stability grows into freedom. That's when you stop being just a breadwinner. You become a builder of generational freedom. So remember the steps. Track your money. Pay yourself first. Budget with balance. Set boundaries with love. Grow your income. And automate your progress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Freedom Years Project. And to help you get started today, download our free budget tracker in the description below.